So, you're in the market for a new electric car, but you're on a budget. Let's talk about three contenders: the stylish Renault 5, the practical Hyundai Insta, and the long-range Kia EV3. These three cars offer different things. Let's break it down. The Renault 5 and Hyundai Insta have smaller battery options, both clocking in at around 180 miles of range. That's not bad for city driving, but what about longer trips? But wait, there's a twist. The Kia EV3 smaller battery still manages to squeeze out a whopping 254 miles. That's impressive. Charging speeds vary too. The Renault 5 can charge faster than the other two, but all three have front-mounted ports, which is a plus. Now, let's talk money. The Hyundai Insta is the clear budget champ, starting at an incredible £17,000. The Renault 5 comes in at around £22,000, while the Kia EV3 is a bit pricier but offers that impressive range. So, which one would you pick? The affordable and practical Hyundai Insta, the long-range Kia EV3, or the stylish Renault 5? Let us know in the comments below.